Now for the question and answers, children, answer these questions with reference to the context. Now what is reference to context? Reference to context means a line from the book or lesson is given to you, and in relation to the line you have to answer the following questions. So the line given over here is he puts damp wood upon the fire that kettles cannot boil. Now this line you have understood, children. Who is he over here? It is Mr. Nobody. Mr. Nobody puts damp wood, यानी गीली लकड़ियाँ वो आग के ऊपर रखता है, that kettles cannot boil. And naturally if damp wood is put, kettles cannot boil. उसके ऊपर कोई भी सामान हम रखेंगे पकाने के लिए वो काम नहीं होगा. Now the question is, who puts damp wood upon the fire? The answer to this question is Mr. Nobody puts damp wood upon the fire. Next question, what is the meaning of damp wood? Damp wood is wet wood. Next question, how does damp wood prevent the kettles from boiling? Now, wood which is wet does not burn, so there is no fire which prevents kettles from boiling. Now next question is B. Only one we will do, reference to context. Next question we come to B, and it is question number 1. What does everyone agree upon? Everyone agrees that in every house there is a funny little man who is as quiet as a mouse and does mischief whose face no one sees. So this is question number 1. The second question is, why will the squeaking door always squeak? The answer is, the oiling of the squeaking door is done by Mr. Nobody. Therefore, it will always squeak. What are the things that never get done in the house? The things that never get done in the house are, papers are never put in the proper places and boots are always lying about. So these are the 2 questions. Next question we come to, in your opinion, is Mr. Nobody a real person? If yes, then who is he? If no, then who, what is he or it? Yes, Mr. Nobody is a real person. It can be anyone in the house who is careless. What aspect of daily life is the poet describing in the poem? Now this is an important question, children. The case and maintenance, the care and maintenance of the house requires attention. Care with responsibility. It also requires discipline to do things neatly and effectively and carefully. So this is an important question. Let me explain the answer. Now, what aspect of the daily life is the poet describing in this poem? So the question over here means, what aspect, कौन सी वो चीज़ है हमारे रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में जो कि कवि यहाँ पे इस कविता के द्वारा हमें बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. तो द केयर एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ द हाउस, तो हम देखते हैं कि घर की देखरेख रिक्वायर्स अटेंशन, इसमें ध्यान की ज़रूरत होती है. इसके अलावा केयर एंड विथ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, यानी कि रिस्पॉन्सिबल होने की ज़रूरत है. इट ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्स डिसिप्लिन, इसके अलावा डिसिप्लिन टू डू थिंग्स नीटली एंड इफ़ेक्टिवली, काम सफाई से करने के लिए, इफ़ेक्टिवली एंड केयरफुली, ताकि काम अच्छे से हो जाए. तो हमारी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी के बारे में. नाउ द समरी फॉर द पोएम इज़, Mr. Nobody in the poem is any person in the house who could be indisciplined, careless, or absent-minded. Any mischief, tearing of books, pulling